And in a bid to control the COVID-19 pandemic from advancing further, the Delhi High Court has now asked the Delhi government to come up with a concrete plan for enforcing social distancing and the wearing of masks at public places across the city as well. Now, during the hearing, the Delhi government submitted that steps are being taken to invite the public at large to make suggestions to contain the COVID-19 infection. Remember, the national capital has in the past several days now seen a constant surge in the infection rate, specifically talking about the national capital. Let's go across to my colleague Mahima now joining us with more of this. Mahima, now the Delhi High Court has in a way asked and intervened in a way and asked the Delhi government to come up with a concrete plan of enforcing restrictions to curb the COVID-19 infection.
Well, yes, the rise in the COVID-19 infection in the national capital is mainly due to the festive season. Right now, we are in Chhatarpur in one of the COVID care centre. That is the largest COVID centre here. And Richa, to ramp up the Delhi's medical infrastructure, the government, as there's a spike in the coronavirus cases in the national capital, 500 isolation beds at this particular centre in Chhatarpur will be converted into the oxygen beds, while the number of ICU beds in the national capital has gone up to 150 in the last 3 days. Though the Delhi government has been asked to refer the critical patient, people who are really critical will be shifted to this particular COVID care centre where 500 isolation bed will be converted into the oxygen bed. The government has also decided to increase the number of daily RT-PCR tests in Delhi up to 60,000. Though more than 28,708 RT-PCR tests were conducted in the city on Wednesday, but it will increase to 60,000 now, and these are the visuals. This is the main gate of the COVID care centre in Chhatarpur where the patient of the COVID takes an entry from this. It has the capacity of 10,000 beds. It's a 300-acre whole campus where this is the largest COVID centre in the national capital. As we all know that the spurt in the coronavirus cases in the national capital was witnessed since October 28 when the daily rise breached to 5,000 mark for the first time and crossed the 8,000 mark on November 11. Delhi recorded 7,546 fresh COVID cases on Thursday, taking the infection tally in the city to 5,10,630. So these are the visuals that we bring you on Republic Media Network, where the 500 isolation beds will be converted to the oxygen beds so that any critical patient can come here and will be shifted to this particular centre in Chhatarpur because the Delhi government, along with the centre, is taking a lot of steps as the coronavirus cases in the national capital have taken a rise. Yes, Richa.